Question 1. Which animal does not have a brain, heart, bones, or eyes? Answer B. Sea sponges. Question 2. Which animal sees without having eyes? Answer C. Sea urchin. Question 3. Which animal sleeps with one eye open and the other closed? Answer B. Dolphin. Question 4. Which is the only mammal that does not have vocal cords? Answer A. Giraffe. Question 5. How many muscles does an elephant have in its trunk? Answer C. 40,000 muscles. Question 6. How many hearts do jellyfish have? Answer C. None. Question 7. Which animal has the strongest bite? Answer A. Saltwater crocodile. Question 8. Which sea creature is known for its ability to regrow its arms? Answer C. Starfish. Question 9. What is the main organ for respiration in fish? Answer B. Gills. Question 10. Which animal can turn its head up to 270 degrees without moving its body? Answer B. Owl.